Today, we're diving into the rich tapestry of Middle Eastern history with a drink that's been cooling parched throats for centuries: Ayran. But first, have you ever wondered what connects the past and present in the Middle East? Well, picture this: a refreshing elixir that transcends time, weaving tales of culture and tradition. Subscribe and stay tuned to uncover the yogurt-based magic that is Ayran. You're wandering through the ancient streets of the Middle East, surrounded by the echoes of history. In the midst of the sun-soaked markets and vibrant aromas, what's that one thing that unites the past and the present? Ayran. Now, you might be thinking, Ayran? What's that? Some new age superfood? Oh no, my friends. Ayran is the cool sip that's been gracing taste buds for centuries. It's like the rock star of Middle Eastern beverages, humble but so iconic. So, what's the magic formula, you ask? Well, Ayran is a delightful blend of silky yogurt, a splash of water, and just a hint of salt. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Watch as the yogurt and water dance together, creating a harmony that's as smooth as a Middle Eastern breeze. And that dash of salt? It's the secret handshake that elevates Ayran from a mere drink to a cultural experience. The first sip is like a time machine. You're not just tasting a drink. You're savoring centuries of tradition and craftsmanship. Ayran isn't just a beverage. It's a journey through the annals of Middle Eastern history. Legend has it that Ayran's roots go back to the days when nomadic tribes traversed the vast deserts of the Middle East. Imagine this: scorching sun, endless dunes, and a group of resourceful nomads crafting Ayran to stay hydrated and energized. It wasn't just a drink. It was a survival strategy, a way to conquer the unforgiving heat and keep the spirit of the journey alive. And as time rolled on, so did the popularity of Ayran. From the bustling markets of Istanbul to the serene oases of Iran, this yogurt elixir became a staple, a testament to resilience and adaptability in the face of changing landscapes. How did Ayran transition from a nomadic necessity to a cultural icon? Well, it turns out, as civilizations flourished, so did their love for this creamy concoction. Ayran became more than a drink. It became a symbol of community, a shared experience that transcended borders and generations. The tales of Ayran are inscribed in the very fabric of Middle Eastern history. Kings and commoners alike raised their glasses, toasting to good health, prosperity, and the timeless connection between people and their nourishing traditions. From the bustling streets of Istanbul to the serene landscapes of Iran, Ayran has become a culinary ambassador, adapting to local flavors while maintaining its essence. It's like a Middle Eastern road trip in a glass. Each sip takes you on a journey through unique tastes and traditions. Whether it's the Turkish Ayran with a touch of mint or the Iranian version with a sprinkle of dried rose petals, every region adds its own twist, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. What's fascinating is how Ayran seamlessly bridges cultural gaps. It doesn't matter if you're in a bustling bazaar in Beirut or enjoying the view of the Bosphorus. Ayran is the common language spoken by food enthusiasts across the Middle East. You're invited into a Middle Eastern home, and what's the first thing they offer you? Ayran. It's a gesture of warmth and hospitality, a way of saying, you're not just a guest, you're family. Now that we're fully immersed in the Ayran experience, why not bring a taste of the Middle East into your own kitchen? To start our DIY Ayran adventure, you'll need the Holy Trinity: high-quality yogurt, refreshing water, and a pinch of salt. Grab your trusty whisk or channel your inner nomad and use a traditional wooden stick. The choice is yours. Now, let the magic happen as the yogurt and water come together in a frothy dance. And don't forget that hint of salt. It's the secret ingredient that turns Ayran from good to legendary. Now, the presentation is key. Whether you choose a traditional Middle Eastern cup or a modern glass, make it an experience. You can even get creative. Throw in some ice cubes, garnish with mint, or go all out with a sprinkle of spices. And there you have it, Ayran, the yogurt-based elixir that tells tales of tradition, culture, and endless hospitality. If you enjoyed this journey, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and join the Food Storian family. Until next time, keep sipping on history, my friends.